Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. You like French toast? Who doesn't like French toast? Bread covered in egg milk mixture, toasted in a pan, and then covered with syrup. Oh yeah, I love it. Used to love it when I was a kid. Well, I have French toast. It's actually so good, you don't need to add syrup at the end. A little bit of maple flavoring.
Ah, that's sweet. You remembered me.
I said maple, not Mabel. That's right. And a few other tricks. Well, you'll see. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's get our mixing bowl ready. We're going to add 1/4 cup of regular milk. We're going to add 1/8 cup of heavy cream. This will help smooth out the mixture. Add some vanilla extract for flavor. A tablespoon of sugar. Here's your flavor, guys. Maple syrup. That does the trick. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Add the egg to the mixture and whisk that all together nice and thorough. Now it's time to get the frying pan ready. We're going to coat the bottom of the frying pan with some butter, melt it down, and coat 4 slices of bread into the milk and egg mixture. Put 1 slice on top of the other. As we cook it, the 2 slices will become 1. This will help make a nice, flavorful French toast all the way through. See that as we flip it over? Nice and golden brown. Put some more butter on there and melt it down and keep the flavor going. Ready, set, let's flip it again, come on. See that? Won't that look good? I can taste this already. I can smell it as I'm cooking it. That butter flavor, that maple syrup, you can smell that maple flavoring. A little more butter. We should be just about done here, folks. Flip it over again. There you go. Get that on a plate and get ready to serve it. Coat it with some powdered sugar. I'm telling you, I can't wait to taste this. Oh yeah, you can taste that maple flavor. This is French toast so good, you don't even need to add syrup. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button, subscribe, share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.